This dress I saw and I was like, I need that. I need that. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ariel, and today my hair looks fucking flat. Let's do that again. Today I'm going to be doing a Bebe try-on haul. Just a little preface before I start. This is not sponsored by Bebe or anything like that, but they did send me the clothes, so I'm so appreciative. So grateful. I've always wanted a company to reach out to me and to send me clothes, and Bebe did, and I never would have expected them to. Never would expect the most iconic, or one of the most iconic women's fashion brands to reach out to me. So Bebe, thank you so much. I am loving the clothes. Haven't stopped wearing them. Haven't stopped posting them. Really love working with them, and that's why I wanted to do this video, because I just am so grateful. I will link everything that I'm wearing in this video below. Okay, change of plans. I am now in my stepmom's room because everyone in my house decided to come home and I had no quiet anymore, so I had to come all the way upstairs. Anyway, basically they DM'd me and they were like, hey, like, would you like to collab? And I'm sitting there like, do I want to collab with you? Is water wet? Like, I don't, the girls that they sponsor or send free clothes to, like, they are just impeccable, and I was just like, I don't deserve this. Never had a company say, like, I'm gonna give you free shit. All you have to do is wear it and post a hashtag with it. Like that. What an amazing deal. But yeah, I'm just going to start to get into each outfit. I'm going to show what they look like on and different ways to pair them with different vibes, if that makes sense. The first outfit is going to actually just be this plain look, my turtleneck and my jeans. The material is crazy nice, stretchy, really slimming even. It has tightening effect, but not like you can't breathe tightening, but just comfy, like snug, you know? Kind of sucks you in just a little bit, which is really nice. It's great for the, obviously it's great for the winter. It's a fucking turtleneck. The pants that I chose to wear it with were the only jeans that I ordered from them. I really needed some new ripped jeans. I thought these were like a good medium color, not too dark, not too light. High-waisted, again, pretty slimming. I'm 5'8", so I need something that can go like above my waist, and not a lot of pants do when you have long legs. I don't know if anyone else runs into that problem, but I do. Second outfit was the skirt I was talking about. This was the outfit that I really went on a limb for. I thought that this would be very different than my typical style, and I wanted that because when am I ever gonna have this chance again? So I wanted to pick something that was very unique, very different. Another way I paired this skirt was with little tan bralette type crop top thing I had. Honestly, the colors just went together so nicely. This, I would think, could be more of like a summer look, but also if you wear like knee-high boots, you can make it more of a winter look. Just in case you don't want to wear a turtleneck with this outfit, even though I love it like that. If you wore a plain black bodysuit with it. To go with it was this sick jacket, little two-piece outfit. Top has some nice leather, and then again the same kind of print on it with a zipper in the front. And last but not least, I wanted to pair this with a little backpack I had. I thought that was just the ultimate cute little look. I love pairing backpacks with outfits. I don't know what it is. It's just everything. I don't know why. My inner kindergartner comes out, I guess. I don't know. I just think it's sometimes just so much better than a purse. So this next one I wanted to get for work. I thought it'd be a really cute, different fall type shirt. I don't have anything like it. I'm really into the bow that's in the front here. I think that's a cute little addition. You could pair this with the same jeans I just wore, or I've paired it with black work pants and black shoes, and it looks really nice. This next one was a sweater I got, and it is super comfortable. interesting thing about the sweater, which I did not realize before I picked it out, but I still really liked it anyway, was the fact that it has just this hole in the back, and I was like, wow, that's interesting. What am I gonna do with that? But I made it work. Basically, I thought this would be a good opportunity to put a pretty bralette underneath it, so you can wear it two ways. Same color red, I thought that would be nice. I think when I wore it out the last time, I just had a black North Face on, like on top, so you only saw like the front piece, so the back didn't even matter. But the other way you could wear, if you're wanting to make it more of like a sporty look, then you could just put a racer back sports bra on, or you could do a white bralette in the back. That way it still matches, you just let it rock. Another way you could wear these are with some black leggings. You could dress it up in different ways for whatever occasion you're going out for. Last but not least, this dress I saw and I was like, I need that. I need that. I hate to say, but like,
dresses are so in right now.
But they are. I mean, they're just very on trend right now. A lot of dresses you'll see with like cutouts up top here or in the stomach area. And it looked fire on the model online, so I was like, I have to get this. Alright guys, so that was everything for my Bebe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the way that they fit, and I'm hoping to work with them again, and maybe I'd make another one if you guys like this video. And if you have any video suggestions, I am always open, so please be sure to let me know down in the comments. If you haven't already, it would mean a lot to me if you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on my notifications, and like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next video.